This application requires 1 full strip and 1/2 strip of KT tape. Prepare your first strip of KT tape with a twist and tear of the paper backing 2 inches from one end. With your elbow flexed, apply your anchor with no stretch, just above your inner elbow, directing the strip towards your inner forearm and wrist. Now place the inner portion of your forearm on stretch by turning your palm up and extending your wrist. Apply a light stretch directing the strip over the bony prominence of your inner elbow, curving up slightly over the inner portion of your forearm. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Take the half strip and tear the paper backing 2 inches from one end. Place your anchor with no stretch just below the back of your elbow, directing the strip toward the front of your forearm. With moderate stretch, apply across the area of discomfort. Be sure to apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Rub gently over the application to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.